Yes.
Aren't you a fellow or something?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so, and this is an ethical rule, right? But it's also about professional opinions.
Could you be more specific, say, about professional opinion in regard to what?
Well, based on publicly available information without conducting an examination. That's the rule, right?
If you're reading it directly, I will believe you.
Okay.
Direct evaluation. And as we know, it didn't happen. But regardless of that, the whole expert witness testimony thing, this whole medical system we have, this whole legal system we have is null and void.
I'm not saying...
No, yes, you are, sir. No, you are.
Well, give me a second, and I'll give you more than a second.
And I think we're going in circles, because I think I just said that means expert witness testimony would not be allowed, presidents and public figures such as that. But regardless of that, because that's what it was made for you, it's not made what you are saying that rule encompasses.
Asking you, sir, is did you comply with the ethical requirements of the APA when rendering...
It is a requirement of the APA. It is not the requirement of the APA. Secondarily,
so the answer is no?
Secondarily, again, in order to not... we wasted our whole morning because of an expert witness. Witnesses everyone brought in. So all I'm saying to you, that means the medical legal law is correct. I'm an expert witness. I'm saying as an expert witness, and solely as an expert witness, that guideline is permitting that from occurring.
But the rule says it is unethical for a psychiatrist to offer...
Sir, is that if you say this about an individual, violation. So basically, you are saying that unless you do a direct clinical evaluation, then all of the field of forensic psychiatry... You're saying to me that all of this is unethical, which is what you are saying. This is how I'm interpreting what you are saying to me. That unless you do the evaluation directly yourself, therefore, it could not be considered ethical. And I'm telling you how that applicable stay they get evaluated. So tell me where you want me to end this.
Well,
sir.
Why don't we talk about...
No, I probably would say to you that certainly I would not say narcissistic personality, or I would say trait. Less so.
But it...
Less so.
It's good.
Less so. I mean, it's a risk value, but less so, yes.
Yeah.
Less so. I testified this before, which was that, one, I don't expect perfection from my victims.
Pirates to the Willy Wonka doesn't matter to you? You see him in that movie, Charlie and Chocolate Factory? Did you look at that one when you were comparing his processing speed?
Do I have to answer that question, Your Honor?
You have to answer questions. Yes, sir.
No, you'll be happy to know I didn't see Willy Wonka. I didn't see 21 Jump Street when it happened, or whatever it was about. No, I did not.
All right. Which you decided to call Mr. Depp an idiot.
Under somebody call Mr. Depp an idiot?
Yeah, you called Mr. Depp an idiot in your deposition. Why
I think in the context. I think it was in the. You probably should read the context of it. I think I'm trying to think back, back. I'm thinking back where he's coming in from Europe for a deposition that he gave, and he took an overnight. And what I think I said was that if you're going to do a trial that you're involved with, I think you'd be an idiot to come.
No idea what state Mr. Depp was in at the time he took the exam that you're relying on.
Short of what you just said about drugs and alcohol, okay, there shouldn't be a reason why a 58-year-old also with strokes and other neurocognitive conditions, but short of that, there shouldn't be a really good reason why someone at that age shouldn't come up with at least one.
So you don't know, one way or the other, how he scored on the exam. You don't know what...
0.05% chance that someone who does... Absolutely there is. But is that medical degree of certainty? Absolutely not.
And you made reference to a picture. There's been testimony around that picture that Mr. Depp fell asleep with ice cream in his hand. That's not vomitous, right?
I was told it was vomitous.
Okay.
That's all I said.
Oh, yeah, but what you found hard to believe, sir, was that every line of the script was pumped through an earpiece. Where did you ever get the idea that occurred?
That's what I read in the court review, the court evidence. That's where I got it from.
Right. And you know whether Marlon Brando used an earpiece?
Isn't he dead?
Yeah.
So the answer is no, he does not use one now.
Oh, no, I
Standard, I'm wrong. I don't know.
okay. Let's go with that. No further questions.
All right. How long is your return?
A bit.